Hello everyone, welcome to MB Kitchenette. MB Kitchenette, a place where you can find easy, healthy, home-cooked recipe. To all my followers, thank you for being here once again, and for those who are new here, welcome to my channel. Write in the comment your name and the country where you are watching my video, so I can greet you and thank you for my next video. Today, I will another easy, healthy, home-cooked recipe where you don't need to fry or grill. Fish cook in coconut milk. To begin, we have to clean the fish, remove the scales, internal organ fins and tails, then cut into two, or you can also just let it as a whole. Depends on how big is your pan. As in my side where I have only a small pan, I have to cut into two. And this recipe is made for single serving. If you want to serve more, then adjust the ingredients. Slice some ginger. Then rub the ginger to the fish. This will remove the stingy smell of the fish. Then pour some salt and rub all over to the fish to remove the slime from the fish. After rubbing with ginger and salt, pour a cup of water and let it for 10 minutes. And while waiting, we can start with the other ingredients. Mince or chopped 3 to 4 cloves of garlic. Slice some ginger. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for you to always notify on my next video. Your feedback helps us grow. Write your views in the comment. Have 2 pieces of chili. Have 1 piece of bok choy and cut into quarter. In a pan, pour 1 can of 400 milliliters of coconut milk. Add the garlic, ginger, and chili and let it start to boil. Then add the seasoning and flavors as 1 teaspoon of salt, a pinch of pepper, a pinch of coriander, a pinch of basil, a pinch of thymian. Let it continue on cooking, and by this time, we can already remove the fish from soaking and wash it 2 to 3 times. Then put it into the pan. With this recipe, I'm using bass fish or tilapia. Here you can use any kind of fish. In this recipe, it's the ginger, chili, and the coconut milk that brings out the flavor. We just make sure that the fish is really washed. Then put it in the pan. Let it cover and wait for 2 minutes, then uncover and flip it over. Then add the bok choy and continue cooking for another 1 minute. Then turn off the heat. This Asian and Latin recipe using 2 favorite ingredients, fresh fish and coconut milk. Quick and easy to make. Grouper fish is poached in a creamy coconut sauce for one delicious meal that's ready to enjoy in 30 minutes. This is one delicious and easy comfort food meal. With sweet and savory flavors, always feels like a treat to eat. But in reality, it is such a simple dish. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for you to always be notified on my next video. Have a happy, healthy meal.